Hi friends, welcome to excelhub.org. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. In this video, I will explain you about how to use ISERROR function in Excel. ISERROR function is an information function. Basically, the Excel will return different types of error depending on the arguments in a cell. So if we want to check whether the cell value or a argument logical calculation is an error or not, we can use ISERROR function, which will check the cell value whether it is an error or not. If the cell value is an error, it will return true. If it is not, it will return false. So we can check this with one example. ISERROR cell reference. As you can see, the cell reference B4, the value of B4 is a error value, therefore it returns true. In case if the cell value is not error, then it will return false. So this can be used with if function. However, now the Excel comes with if error function, which will replace almost all the functions of ISERROR.